Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sashali Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. Former Ambassador to the United States, Dr. Richard Bernal, says there is no immediate fallout from trade on the Jamaican economy. He sees the current impasse between the two major powers as negotiation tactics. He was speaking on JNN's Insight on Wednesday.
We continue to import from both countries and to export whatever little to the U.S. Our economy is running very much on tourism and bauxite and alumina. Those I don't think should be affected by anything that's going on between the two countries at the moment. What you have to guard against is to see what is going on here as a dispute, not yet a war. And that all of this is part of the negotiating tactics. All of these maneuvers, the tariffs, the exchange rate movement, the posture in the public statements, etc., is all part of the negotiations.
International Monetary Fund IMF representative to Jamaica, Dr. Constant Lonkeng Guana, revealed that the Jamaican economy is becoming more sophisticated and no longer needs to be picking winning industries for stimulus packages to grow national production. He explained that this sophistication is manifesting itself in a number of ways, such as the recent initiatives by the banking sector to address some of the roadblocks in accessing capital by the micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs. He emphasized that the banking sector on its own and without any government push or help has sought to correct this problem. In addressing members of Bethel Baptist Church recently, Dr. Lonkeng said in return, the MSMEs are attempting to open up their books and operations to become part of the financial inclusiveness being sought. Finsac, the majority owner of the Siboney Group Limited, is making another try at selling its stake in the company, which has no assets. Siboney said in a market filing last week that attempts by Finsac to sell were aborted after bids for the shares failed to result in a deal, but noted that another invitation to buyers to bid for the company was pending. Siboney traded at 11 cents per share on Monday, valuing the company at just over $60 million. Finsac's 72% is worth approximately $43 million. In Wednesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 1,026 points to close at over 500,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 73 stocks, of which 39 advanced, 30 declined and 4 traded firm. The junior market index declined by 28 points to close at 3,540. Stocks advanced for 1834 Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, Cargo Handlers, Caribbean Cement and Caribbean Cream. Stocks declined for Access Financial Services, Barita Investments, Berger Paints, Blue Power Group and CAC 2000. Trading firm were Caribbean Producers, Dolphin Cove, Proven Investments and Salada Foods. Wigtown Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares was the volume leader with more than 6.5 million units, followed by the Limnas and Bards Limited with over 4 million units and Victoria Mutual Investments with a little over 1 million units. News in oil. Oil prices tumbled more than 4% on Wednesday to a 7-month low, extending recent heavy losses following a surprise build in U.S. crude stockpiles and fears that demand will shrink due to Washington's escalating trade war with Beijing. Brent crude futures were down $2.52 at $56.42 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures were down $2.36 at $51.25. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sashali Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.